What's up, folks? Just loaded up Bing Webmaster Tools here, and there is a data set that Bing gives you that Gemini won't give you, ChatGPT won't give you, and Claude won't give you that'll help you do generative engine optimization better. The thing I'm going to have you focus on the most here is AI performance at 7 days, 30 days, and 3 months. And when I first got access to this tool, one of the things I really liked is I could see my branded grounding queries. Okay, these are your grounding queries. These are not prompts that people put in. So if you start off and click on 7 days, and then you're going to want to click on pages. And all of a sudden I noticed what drives brand mentions was like, that was new to me. I'm not used to seeing that result as my top cited page. In late April, boom, all of a sudden this page is showing up a ton. So what you can see here in the grounding queries is what queries were run when people ran certain types of prompts that I still don't get access to, but I can see the queries that were triggered. And now it's, why do my competitors appear in AI-generated answers? So this is all giving me a feel for the types of things people might be asking that suddenly in the last month or so, I've become more valuable for. So now what I want to do is make sure that the page that's showing up is actually helpful for these kinds of queries. And I don't think it is in its current state, which is why I want to hurry up and improve it and take advantage of this opportunity. We did a study way back in the beginning of 2025 around what drives brand mentions in AI answers. So it was fine back then, but it's probably way out of date. You can see we're saying, how did we do it? Here was the challenges, how to bring it all together. So we should probably bring the findings up to the top. We should probably also interview people internally, see what they think, turn this post into something that can actually help the people that get to it. The other thing I've noticed that we've done wrong, that we should do better when we're optimizing for AI for ourselves, all the findings that would come from this visualization, we're not typing up all those numbers anywhere. We probably should have used these correlation metrics in the write-up. So that's the next thing that we need to do to take advantage of this opportunity. And since I have all my analytics data piped into BigQuery, and what I'm going to type in is just, how does my traffic look over the last 3 months to this page? Okay, there it is. Let's see what we get. And here's the shocker. Over the last 3 months, this thing barely had any citations. All of a sudden, it's up like 10x or so in citation volume. Sounds great. We went ahead, built something out, showing that our monthly traffic trend is actually down. This is where I think anyone should stop and think, is this a page I want to optimize, regardless of whether or not my visibility spike is driving traffic? To me, that answer is a resounding yes. I now have real estate and some brand visibility around people looking for brand mentions in AI answers. So you better believe I want to take advantage of this opportunity, whether I'm getting specific click-throughs to those citations or not. And the last thing I've got to shout out here is Notzier has a plugin. Literally, you can just drag this into your bookmark bar. It will download this data for you in a much more usable way because we don't have an API just yet. So I would definitely recommend you visit that website, and I'll put it in the notes below, and give them a shout out. This kind of stuff is super helpful for all of us.